How to use Steam Remote Play feature. To use the Steam Remote Play, you must log into the same Steam account on two different devices to stream game across your local network. So first of all, open Steam on your primary gaming computer, then click the Steam in the top left and select the settings, navigate to the Remote Play option and toggle Remote Play to on position. Then connect your client device. Simply install Steam or the Steam Link application on your second device. Then log into the same account or follow the on-screen prompt to pair devices using 4-digit PIN code. Now all you have to do is select your game from the library on the client device and select the Stream button to start broadcasting the game over your network. Now all you have to do is simply invite friends for multiplayer to play local multiplayer games with friends who are far away, use Remote Play together, and launch the game. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.